Good morning, welcome to the news. I'm Irene Qeisha from SMA Erika 13. A tornado hit a residential area on Tuesday afternoon. Strong winds accompanied by heavy rain caused damage to many houses, especially their roofs. The disaster happened suddenly and made residents panic and run to several places. According to local authorities, several trees fell and blocked the route, causing traffic disruption. Some public facilities were also affected, including electricity outage in several areas. However, no casualties were reported in this incident. Local officers, volunteers, and residents worked together to clean up debris and repair damaged houses. The government has also prepared emergency assistance for affected families. That brings us to the end of this news report. People are advised to stay alert and follow weather updates during extreme weather conditions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.
Audio Jungle.